Dear students, in today's lecture we will discuss Taylor's expansion formulae with simple examples. Right. So these Taylor's theorems are mainly used to expand any function in the ascending powers of x or ascending powers of h or in the ascending powers of x minus a, x minus h, etc. etc. Is that clear? So before going to start the lecture, please subscribe the YouTube channel if you have not subscribed it, so that you will get the updates time to time and notification. Is that clear? So in this today's lecture, we will discuss what is Taylor's theorem for the expansion of function, and then after we will discuss the simple examples. So let us see here Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem for expansion of f of x plus h. The function f of x is given, then we have to expand this function in the form of f of x plus h, that is in the neighborhood of x is equal to h. Is that clear? So let us see, if f of x is a single variable function, continuous single variable function, this is condition number 1. Continuous, condition number 2. Okay, differentiable, condition number 3. Then f of x plus h can be expanded in a series of ascending powers of x by equation 1. Is that clear? So what is that equation? f of x plus h equal to, right, f of h plus x into f dash of h plus x square by 2 factorial into f double dash of h plus x cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of h, and so on. And this is equation number 1. Is that clear? So this gives the expansion in the powers of x, right? Powers of x. Similarly, if f of x is a single variable function, continuous, differentiable, then f of x plus h can be expanded in a series of ascending powers of h. Right, the same formula, only we have to interchange x and h. So here if we interchange x and h, there is no difference, and therefore we can write f of x plus h will be equal to f of h plus x, that is same thing, and here it will be f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus dash, and this is now equation number 2. Okay, so here what? X by h and h by x here in this formula. Okay, so and what is f dash? F dash, f double dash, f triple dash are derivatives. Is that clear? So these are the derivatives. Now third formula, this formula number 1 and 2 are called as what? Taylor's theorem or Taylor's expansion formula. Is that clear? Now in equation 2 is this. This is equation 2. Right. In this equation, put x is equal to a. X is equal to a. h is equal to x minus a. तो x plus h कितना हो जाएगा? a minus a कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो it will be equal to x. Is that clear? तो f of x plus h is equal to x. Okay. So did you understand? तो in this formula we substitute, तो x के जगह आएगा ए, एच की जगह आएगा x माइनस ए. So in equation 2, put x is equal to a, h is equal to x minus a, then x plus h is equal to x. Okay, and it gives the expansion of f of x in the ascending powers of x minus a. So let us see, it would be equal to f of x plus equal to f of x, that is a प्लस बराबर है एच की वैल्यू क्या है एक्स माइनस ए इंटू एफ डैश ऑफ ए प्लस ए स्क्वायर बाय 2, that is x minus a whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus dash dash dash, and this formula can be written like this. Okay, so how we can write this formula? That is f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a by 1 into f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus x minus a whole cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of a plus dash dash dash, and this is formula number 3. Is that clear? So these formulas. So formula 1, 2, 3 are called the Taylor's expansion formula. Is that clear? So these are Taylor expansion formula. Now let us see first example. Expand sin x in ascending powers of x minus pi by 2. Okay. So कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? इन द असेंडिंग पावर्स ऑफ यू कंपेयर तो एटी एक्स माइनस ए, और एक्स माइनस ए वाला फॉर्मूला अपना कौन सा है 3. ओके, सो solution here using Taylor's formula for expansion of f of x in the ascending powers of x minus a. I already explained, that is formula number 3. Okay, so let us see what is that formula. What is that formula? F of x equal to f of a plus x minus a f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus dash dash dash, and this is now equation number 1. Is that clear? Now for a equals to pi by 2. Is that clear? So what you will get? F of x equal to f of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 into f dash of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of pi by 2. बराबर है. नेक्स्ट टर्म आएंगे प्लस एक्स माइनस पाई बाय 2 होल क्यूब by 3 factorial f triple dash of pi by 2, right? Then plus x minus pi by 2 raised to the power 4 by 4 factorial into f4 of pi by 2, f4 of pi by 2 plus dash dash dash, and is that clear? And this is now equation number 2. Is that clear? Now let f of x इज इक्वल, किसको एक्सपांड करना है आपको? साइन एक्स को. तो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स, देयरफॉर एफ ऑफ पाई बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू साइन पाई बाय 2, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू साइन पाई बाय 2 कितना है 1. बराबर है. देन एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स कितना होगा? साइन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव कॉस एक्स एंड देयरफॉर एफ डैश ऑफ पाई बाय टू कितना होगा कॉस पाई बाय टू 0. एफ डबल डैश ऑफ एक्स कितना होगा एफ डैश को डिफ्रेंशिएट किया तो माइनस साइन एक्स एंड देयरफॉर एफ ट्रिपल डैश ऑफ एफ डबल डैश ऑफ पाई बाय टू इज इक्वल टू सॉरी minus sin pi by 2 that is minus 1. Is that clear? Then f4 f3 of x is equal to minus sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x, so minus cos x and therefore f3 of pi by 2 f triple dash of pi by 2 is equal to minus cos x cos pi by 2 0 means 0. Then f4 of x is equal to how much f4 of x यानी थर्ड डेरिवेटिव का फिर से डेरिवेटिव लिया तो माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन एक्स एंड देयरफॉर f4 of pi by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 that is 1. So you will find that the values are oscillating between 0, 1, 0 and minus 1. 1, 0, 1. Is that clear? So and so on. And so on. Is that clear? So substituting these values in equation 1. Okay. So what you will get? Okay. कौन सी वैल्यू हमने निकाले? Let us see. हमने f of pi by 2 हमने निकाले f of pi by 2 1. f dash of pi by 2 0 dash. Then f double dash of pi by 2 minus 1 double dash. Then बराबर है एफ ट्रिपल डैश ऑफ पाई बाय 2 0 ट्रिपल डैश आणि f4 ऑफ पाई बाय 2 1 ये वैल्यू आपने निकाला तो सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दीज वैल्यूज इन इक्वेशन 2 not 1 2. Okay, so what we have f of x is equal to f of a. What is f of a? We determined this 1 plus बराबर है. Then what? X minus pi by 2 into 0 plus x minus pi by 2 whole square by 2 factorial and 2 factorial is 2 into minus 1 plus x minus pi by 2 raised to the power 3 बराबर है upon 3 factorial that is 6 into 0 plus x minus pi by 2 raised to the power 4 upon 4 factorial that is 24 into 1 and then plus and so on. Is that clear? And so it is f of x is what? The given function is sin x. So it is equal to 1 minus बराबर है ये टर्म तो 0 हो गई ये भी टर्म 0 हो गई तो व्हाट यू गेट प्लस x minus pi by 2 raised to the power 2 by 2 and here is minus प्लस नहीं क्योंकि ये प्लस है और ये माइनस है. ओके देन दिस वन प्लस इज व्हाट x माइनस पाई बाय 2 बराबर है रेस्ट टू द पावर 4 अपॉन 24 4 factorial, right? And then minus dash and this is final answer. Okay, so this is sin x ascending. It is what sin log nahi hai, it is what only sin x, expansion of sin x. 1 minus x minus pi by 2 whole square by 2 factorial that is 2 plus x minus pi by 2 raised to the power 4 by 4 factorial that is 24 and so on. So this was the first example. Now the second example. Expand log of sin x in ascending powers of x minus 2. Okay, so solution using Taylor's formula For expansion, again here the formula required for expansion of x minus a, that is 3. Formula number 3. Okay, so for a is equal to, okay, so first of all we write down the formula. What is that formula? F of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of a and so on, and this is equation number 1. Is that clear? Now for x is equal to a is equal to 2. So this implies f of x is equal to f of 2 plus x minus 2 into f dash of 2 plus x minus 2 whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 2 plus dash dash dash, and this is equation number 2. Okay, now we consider let f of x, what is given? Log of sin x. Okay, and therefore f of 2 क्या हो जाएगा? Log of sin 2. बराबर है? Then f dash of x क्या होगा? Differentiate करो. It is 1 by sin x. Log of sin x का derivative into derivative of sin x is cos x, and it is equal to cot x, and therefore f dash of 2 is equal to what? Cot 2. Is that clear? Now इसको फिर से डिफरेंशिएट किया हमने तो क्या आएगा? f डबल डैश ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot x माइनस cosec square x, and therefore f double dash of 2 is equal to minus cosec square 2. Is that clear? Then next derivative क्या आएगा? Minus 2 cosec x cot x. तो f triple dash of x is equal to minus 2 cosec x into derivative of cosec x is what? बराबर है? It is, let us say, minus cosec square minus cosec square का derivative to cosec x into cosec x का derivative minus cosec x cot x, minus 2 cosec x into minus cosec x cot x, and this will be equal to minus minus plus 2 cosec square x into cot x. Is that clear? And so f triple dash of 2 is 2 cosec square 2 into cot 2. Is that clear? Now substituting these values in equation 2. Substituting these values in equation 2. So what is that equation 2? Equation 2 implies that f of f log of sin x बराबर है, that is the value of f of x is equal to log of sin x is equal to f of 2. Okay, so what is that? Go back. F of 2, equation 2. F of 2 is log of sin 2. Is that clear? Then plus x minus 2. F dash of 2 कितना है? F dash of 2 is cot 2. बराबर है? Plus x minus 2 whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash of 2 कितना है? Minus cosec square 2, and then plus x minus 2 whole cube by 3 factorial into एफ ट्रिपल डैश ऑफ 2 कितना है 2 कोसेक स्क्वायर 2 इंटू कॉट 2 दिस वैल्यू इज दैट क्लियर. So did you understand this? So finally you will get the answer. This देखो log of sin 2 x minus 2 into cot 2 ये आ गया x minus 2 square by 2 factorial is 2 into minus cosec square 2 x minus 2 raised to the power 3 by 3 factorial is 6 into 2 cosec square 2 cot 2 plus dash dash dash. Is that clear? So in this way, this is the second example. Similarly, third example, expand tan inverse x in ascending powers of x minus 1. Okay, expand tan inverse x in ascending powers of x minus 1. Again, formula x minus a वाला formula लगेगा यहाँ पे. तो using Taylor's formula for expansion of f of x in ascending powers of x minus a, that is formula 3. बराबर है. So what is that formula? F of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus x minus a whole cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of a बराबर है plus dash 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 and this is now equation number 1. Okay, now for a is equal to 1, so what you will get? For a is equal to 1, it would be f of x is equal to f of 1 plus x minus 1 into f dash of 1 plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial means 2 f double dash of 1 plus x minus 1 raised to the power 3 by 3 factorial is 6 f triple dash of 1 and so on, and this is now equation number 2. बराबर है. Now let, is that clear? Let f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Is that clear? So therefore f of 1 is equal to tan inverse 1, and tan inverse 1 कितना होता है? Because you know tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, then what you have? F dash of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, tan inverse इसका derivative, right? And therefore f dash of 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 square, that is 1 by 2, right? Then f double dash of x. Okay, so what is f double dash of x? Go back. 1 upon 1 plus x square का डेरिवेटिव होगा minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So it is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square into 2x. बराबर है. And therefore f double dash of 1 is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus 1 whole square, and that is 1 plus 1 2, so that is minus 2 by 4, and that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Is that clear? So substituting these values in equation 2. What is equation 2? And now in equation 2 f of x की वैल्यू क्या लिया था हमने? tan inverse x. बराबर है. f of 1 क्या था हमारा? pi by 4. बराबर है. From above results, तो you will get tan inverse x is equal to f of 1, that is pi by 4 plus x minus 1 into f dash of 1 कितना है? f dash of 1 is how much? 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial is 2 into f double dash of 1 कितना है minus 1 by 2 plus dash dash dash. So it is equal to pi by 4 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 whole square minus आएगा ये minus x minus 1 because this is minus sign, so you will get x minus 1 whole square divided by this 2 into 2 is 4 plus dash dash dash, and this is final answer. So this is the required answer. Tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 plus x minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole square by 4 plus dash dash dash, and so. So did you understand how to expand the functions by using Taylor's theorem in the ascending powers of x minus a, or it is also called as in the neighborhood of x is equal to a. This is also expansion in the neighborhood of x is equal to 1. Okay, in the first example, in the neighborhood of x is equal to pi by 2. In second, x is equal to 2. Is that clear? So, if you understand this lecture, please try to solve the homework. Prove that log of 1 plus sin x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 6 minus x to the power 4 by 12 plus dash dash dash. Is that clear? So, subscribe the YouTube channel Maths Clinic Counseling Center and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Tumblr and Telegram. Thank you very much.